The points -2r and 6, 8 lie on a line with the slope 3/4. Find the missing coordinate r. So first step you do is you write the numbers, the line, the coordinates as given, and 6, 8, and then identify x1, y1, x2, and y2. So in this case, x1 is -2, y1 is r, then x2 is 6, and y2 is 8. And remember, m is equal to 3/4. Now, write the formula for slope. So the formula for slope is m equal to y2 subtract y1 divided by x2 subtract x1. But remember that m is already given here. So 3/4 is equal to y2, and y2 is 8, subtract y1, and y1 is r, all divided by x2. x2 is 6, subtract x1, and x1 is -2. So I've just replaced the formula m with the values of the formula. Then the next thing I do is I simplify whatever is possible. On the left I have 3/4, and on the right I have 8, subtract r, all over. Now 6 minus -2 is 8. Now the next step is to cross multiply. Why do I cross multiply? I cross multiply so that I can get rid of the fractions. So the 3 multiplies the 8, and the 4 multiplies the 8 minus 2r. So let me write it out on this other side. I will have 3 times 8 is equal to 4, and then you have 8 minus r. And when you're cross multiplying, you distribute. So then I have 3 times 8 is 24, is equal to 4 times 8 is 32, minus 4r. So to get r by itself, this is a two-step equation. So what I will do is I will subtract 32 from both sides, so that I have, bring this down, -4r is equal to, and on the other side I have 24 minus 32 is -8. So divide both sides by -4, so that you have r is equal to 2. And that is the value of r that we're looking for.